In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go live on Hostinger. If you've already finished building or editing your website, and you're ready to make it visible to the public, Hostinger makes the process very simple. Going live basically means publishing your site so visitors can access the latest version online. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can do it confidently without missing anything. To begin, open your Hostinger account and sign into your dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your hosting, websites, and other settings. Once you're inside the account, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct project, especially if you manage more than one website. That can help you avoid publishing changes to the wrong site. Next, click on Website. This will take you to the section where your site is listed and where you can manage its content and settings. If your dashboard layout looks slightly different, don't worry. Hostinger occasionally updates the design, but the overall process is usually very similar. Just look for the area connected to your website management. After that, click Edit Website. This opens the website editor, where you can review your pages and make final adjustments before publishing. It's a good idea to quickly scan through your site at this stage to confirm that the text, images, and layout look the way you want. Even though the publishing process is fast, checking everything one last time can save you from needing to make immediate corrections afterward. Once you're in the editor, go to the top right corner and click Go Live. This is the button that publishes your website and makes your latest changes available online. After you click it, Hostinger will process the update, and your site should be live shortly. If you don't see the changes right away, give it a little time and refresh your browser. In some cases, it may take a short moment for the updated version to appear. You may also want to open the site in a private or incognito window to confirm that the live version is showing correctly for visitors. And that's it. The process is simply to open your Hostinger account, go to Website, click Edit Website, and then use the Go Live button in the top right corner. Once published, your website is officially live and ready for your audience to visit.